Hi, my name is Mason Gooseland, and I'm going to explain today how N95 masks work. So in front of me here I have examples of three different particle sizes with small, medium, and large. So starting off with the large particles are actually heavy enough to where their inertia will carry them in a straight line. So the threads in the mask, which I have exemplified using these dowel rods here, are staggered like so to where anything moving in a straight line will be guaranteed to hit a rod. Now, the particles moving through, and even if it misses the first or maybe even the second layer, it'll still hit one of those. Now, the small particle, they are actually so light that they move through a motion called Brownian motion, which means that they actually bump off of other air particles and they move in a random zigzag motion. So with that random motion, the amount of threads in here will almost guarantee it to hit a thread and stick to it. Now, the medium particles are what the mask has trouble with. They aren't heavy enough to where their inertia will carry them in a straight line, but they're also not light enough to move through Brownian motion. They kind of move with the flow of air, which will take them around the threads in the mask. So instead, what scientists have done is they have electrotized the threads in the mask the same way that you can magnetize something by exposing it to a magnetic field and giving it a permanent magnetic field itself. They have given these threads an electric field. So the particle will come through and it'll go into that electric field that is for the thread, and it will stick to the thread because it will get electrotized itself. And this does not catch all of the medium-sized particles, even though it catches almost all of the large particles and almost all of the small particles. The medium particles, it gets around 95%, thus the 95 in N95. And that is how N95 masks work.